It is a worrisome trend. Why? Because Ri-Bhoi district is also a transit route or a transit route where drugs and ganja can be transported from this route.
Namar ka jingkan ray jang udrak ku bara panjat ki babon ki khun samla ha ka district padha ka jala hi baro ka wei haga khat artore unai lar 8000 arpo ar katanat pule puthi ka district social welfare bar ka office deputy commissioner Ri-Bhoi district kala pannoi ka program ajing pensha ki khanna pule jo ka school Ri-Bhoi presbyterian higher secondary school ha ka baya day brudrak bat ki wei ki jingdi penbuan ya ka bala penlong ha RBP higher secondary school nongpo Hakati ka sngi rayo ka jingkran bar ka jing pensha ki khanna school da ka kong Kharshandi district social welfare officer Ri-Bhoi district ka kong VA Nyauta additional DC Ri-Bhoi kong PL Nonglan DSEO Ri-Bhoi district ba W Radu principal RBP higher secondary school ha ka jinga don rangkat lang da kinong hikai jongka bat ki khanna school jongka RBP Kakong Kharshandi haba ai jingkran hakate kasni kalai thu ba kidan south li ki district hakpo ka jilla ki bala pau bha haka jingki state jingkinong pendan kam ya udrok kala ongru ba ka Ri-Bhoi district kadon hapadeng ka Jingma Namar ba udrok uha banya Lyngba ka ni ka district ban penpoi part chiki wei ki district jongka jilla
and 72 vulnerable districts of the country. In our state, only 4 districts have been identified to implement this program. These districts are called vulnerable districts because as per the Narcotics Control Bureau, the report found out that these 4 districts are, they have the highest number of consumption of drugs, alcohol as well as ganja. South Garo Hills, even though it's in the interior, but it shares the international border, so it has been identified as a transit route. But the amount of consumption in that district is not as alarming as it is in East Khasi Hills, West Garo Hills and West Jenge Hills district. It is a worrisome, trend. It is a worrisome trend. Why? Because Ri-Bhoi district is also a transit route or a transit route where drugs and ganja can be transported from this route. We have the national highway, so definitely transaction and then transit of drugs, alcohol, ganja goes through this through our national highway. But we should be aware that this trend should not take place. Or for that matter, although it is here, but it should not go on increasing. We would need your help, we would need your coordination in checking that our teenagers, our youngsters are not habituated or should not get themselves addicted to drugs, alcohol or ganja. The Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment has launched this campaign after it was found out that after a research has been conducted by the National Action Plan on Drug Demand Reduction, that the use of alcohol the use of drugs and alcohol in our country is at an alarming rate. It is not only affecting the individual using it, but it is affecting the community as well as the family.